1, 2, 3. What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to another video. Today we're doing tall buildings. This was suggested by, I think, by Margie in the community. Thanks so much for another great suggestion. And you can join the Jooba people checking the link in the description. You can get access to all my courses and a bunch of PDFs and a bunch of cool stuff. So this one you can download using the link in the description. It's got the chords and lyrics. Great song by John Hartford originally. And a simple folk song, uses just one chord progression that repeats throughout, which is this one that I just played in the intro. And we're going to go over all the chords, but before we do that, let's look at the strumming pattern and the picking pattern. So for the strumming of this song, it's a simple shuffled down, down, up, down, up. We got capo on the 3rd fret. Going to use a basic C chord here. Down, down, up, down, up. Simple down, down, up pattern. And if you want to make it a little bit more finger style, you could do bass notes and then down, up, down, up. Okay, if you want to use a picking pattern, you could go to the basic pattern, which you can use P-I, P-M, P-I. If you want to play the whole thing with just a picking pattern. Now, if you want to do it with the melody like I did the now, that is actually quite simple. And the thing about it is the thumb keeps repeating this pattern. This and then the only thing you add on top of that is the melody. So I'm gonna go through that now in a second. Let's just first play the whole song with the basic picking pattern, and then we'll do the intro little riff. Okay, so the whole song uses this chord progression, but let me show you the chords real quick here. Okay, so the first line of chords, basically a C chord, and then you can add the pinky there. You're gonna have to do that in the intro, but if you want to play the C like this, you can, or with the pinky. And then C over B. It's actually a C♯2 over B, but that's the second chord. A minor 7, and then a C over G chord. Mute the 5th string. So we've got this descending bass in C, B, A, G. Very beautiful sequence. And then the second line of chords, we're gonna need to use our thumb here. You could use easy F, but I like to use this one with the thumb here. That sounds better to me. then back to the G, G sus4, C, G. So those are the chords that you're going to need, and then the sequence goes like so. C, C, F, B, A minor 7, C, F, G, sus4, C, normal G. So this is actually a G sus4 here. Okay, that's it. So that's the full sequence of the song. I mean, that repeats through all the parts of the song. Okay, it just carries on like that. Okay. Now let's just play a verse quickly. Someday, my baby, when I am a man, others have taught me best they can. Tell me a suit, cut off my hair, send me to work in tall buildings. So goodbye to sunshine. You see what I'm saying? Just keeps going like that. Okay? Now, if you want to play the funky intro, that this version from, what's the guy? Max Gomez. Then, yeah, let me have the chord shapes on the page while I do this. So remember, if you're playing the intro, you want to keep the thumb doing that boom cha cha boom cha cha throughout the whole song. Okay, and the melody is going to be okay. So on the C chord, it's going to be second string and first string on the melody. And then on the B string, on the C over B, it's going to be on the A minor is going to be second string and then first string. So for the C over G, it's just. And then on the F, it's these two. And then on the G, we're going to do a run going with two notes at the same time. So the second string is, and the bass is, together it's. The last C is just, and then the run again. So the intro real slow. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. That is it. If you want to go check out the key of C a bit more, go check out my chord in C collections. That's going to be a nice place to go. Okay. Cheers. Have a nice day. Bye bye.